do like a select. Come here, cat. You probably did this, so get off my back and get back on my printer and you frickin' fix it. Get over here. Fix my printer. Here you go. Here you go. Fix it. How you do? You step on it. You always do this. Fix it. Fucking little jerk me. Is there like a reset button? You know how you can like... I'm gonna snap. Like, I'm so angry right now.
My back.
What? You want to get on my back? Crazy.
Whoa.
Do the scissors. Where's the scissors?
Whoa.
Oh shoot. Lovey! Get off! What is that? No, I don't think we should be in there.